Chase. Today we're going to make a very fast cocktail for the holiday season because you know your guests are arriving and leaving quickly during this high entertaining season. So what we're going to make is a Christmas magic in a glass. And you will be surprised how quick you can make this and how simple it is to serve. Now, these are the ingredients that you will need to make this quick cocktail. You will need cranberries. Let's use whole cranberries, and you'll need enough, maybe about a handful, to go in the bottom of each wine glass. You will need water, about 2 ounces of water per glass. Of course, you'll need wine glasses, and I know you're going to be tempted to use champagne glasses because we are going to be using Prosecco or champagne. Either one is great. And let's use wine glasses instead of champagne flutes. And the reason for that is because we are going to be using several ingredients in the glass, and a champagne flute is just a bit too narrow. You will need rosemary, so a sprig of rosemary per glass. So now, let's get started. Add a handful of whole cranberries to the bottom of your wine glass. And now a sprig of rosemary. Add the rosemary into the glass all the way to the bottom and to the side, so when you tip the glass to drink it, you won't have the rosemary in the center of the glass. Then 2 ounces or so of water. Place these glasses in the freezer overnight, and you will be ready as soon as your guests arrive. Okay, this is the difficult part. We are going to open the champagne. If you've seen me open before, you know they frighten me every single time. This is Prosecco, and like I said, either champagne or Prosecco. It does not make a lot of difference because both of them are great. Oh, here we go. I promise you, it's going to open. Wow, there it is. I didn't even hit the ceiling. Sometimes that happens. So let me clean up this bit of mess and I'll be right back. Now, through the magic of editing, we have our glasses ready, and look at that. It looks almost like a snow globe. You have the frozen cranberries with water, and actually you can use cranberry juice instead of water, either way. And there's our little sprig of rosemary, and it looks just like a Christmas tree. Love, love, love. And all you do is pour over Prosecco or champagne. Look at this. So impressive. And you can make up the glasses as many as you need the night before, and all you do when your guests arrive is pour the Prosecco or champagne. And then, whoa, perfect pour. Hand them their glass. Look at that. I love it. The bubbles look like, almost like snow. How about that? Didn't we do a great job? Love it. I hope this cocktail makes your holidays a little brighter. So stay merry, stay cozy, and cheers. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, you know I would love to have you as a subscriber. So tap that subscribe button. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram. Bye.